that scares the shit out of them, okay? Because these guys, you know, they got wives, they got mistresses, they got yachts, they got teams, they got stadiums, they got all of this shit. They got a big fucking
relocation guy, rather. And it's time to go. I see.
Anyone can get a free checkout. It doesn't matter whether you close your mortgage with them, a bank, a credit
red light
union,
run.
or even an online lender.
Guys, I raised kids the old school way. Me, Leanne, waking up in the middle of the night, just us. And
I'm gonna walk in the middle of the street and not give a crap about anything.
Stuff. But we wanted to make the most of our time. So we decided to hire a local tour guide. He was someone who came highly recommended.
About my podcast, a lot of people are living paycheck to paycheck, they're in debt, they don't even know where to begin, but they have this need, this want to get in control of their money. And if that's you, you have come to the right spot. So in each episode, you're going to get a ton of inspiration and practical advice. If you're not subscribed to the Rachel Cruze Show podcast, make sure you do it today.
To hear full episodes, search Rachel Cruze wherever you listen to podcasts, or go to rachelcruze.com.
Tell me you're after that guy. Wow.
You decided to skip car payments. If you had chosen the car instead, you wouldn't
Two
have
red light
$3
runners.
million in your retirement account. Taxable income at tax time. Meaning you don't have to pay taxes on that $10,000. You still with me? So
Because
your taxes
Honda.
on $10,000.
I would see the humor in it. I wouldn't give a fuck. It's a fucking dog. Well, this is what you get for fucking
Jesus
trying to have
Christ.
a human relation with a goddamn animal. Anyway, she can't
Do that, and it's about clarity.
Uh-oh, someone's a little lost. Oh, well.
We go first. Jamie, you're on the Ken Coleman Show.
Hi, Ken. I have
Uh-oh.
recently
That pickup
approached
truck
my
does not
boss
know where he
about a
has to
salary
be.
raise.
What? Oh, uh-oh. Wrong exit. Oh, jeez.
You already know the answers to the questions, but you're listening just because people are entertaining. And
Nope.
the show is entertaining in that regard. You like helping people.
They'll go to 25 and then 30 respectively when they're both in high school.
Subaru. Nope.
You're sending some extra money toward the house. I think you guys, in looking at this, again,
Exit
it's
dive.
an option. Okay, we'll call it that. I'm not going to call it.
Dancing on Ellen or dodging a shoe, you're always quick on your feet. Also, you truly
Get
do
on
love
your
the
side.
USA. Though, if I were you, I would. So when you were talking with Mary Louise Kelly,
See, this is exactly what I did want to talk about.
she claims that you yelled at her and swore.
Low on your foot or your ankle, and then you're checking with high up by your knee. So
And we're gonna keep
smallest
going.
part of your shin connecting with the hardest part of
that accepts the flyer, and they tell the company that they heard about their business through the flyer.
Oh, no!
We get a commission
Mini pooper.
off of that flyer, basically.
Wait. Yep. At least he did the semi-smart thing by signaling to the guy next to him. But it's still a douchebag move because he went around a ton of traffic. Route 5, New Haven. And he was turning right? Let's see if he actually turns right. And what the hell is this? What the hell is this Oakland Raider guy doing? Oh, they're really going to fight over the one spot? Seriously? People. Yeah, let's blow right through. Oh, wait. I think the
You need to put that into a calculator because inflation on tuition is around 7.2%.
Oh, that cheap douchebag.
In other words, the tuition inflation is...
I can put everything into it, like...
I know. You can put all that money in it and lose it.
Wait, was he in the
You
right
don't need
lane?
to buy a business. There will be scholarships, you know, that kind of thing. You know, 17-month-old, you got plenty of time. So I don't know where you are in that game, and that's what that will affect the math very dramatically.
So that in 300 years you can go back and play the tape of me saying no.
Wait,
As you
Lexus
whip-line me,
douchebag. Well, not douchebag.
We gotta take a
but
break. When we come
poor
back, more
planning
Cosmic
equals
Queries
piss poor productions.
that they would be sending to move ahead of them.
FedEx. It's amazing. They're amazing, I'm telling you. Always on time.
Really?
So what you need is a FedEx that can deliver backwards in time.
Exactly.
You know, I needed to get this there yesterday. We've got it. Here we go.
Just invest a house payment instead of giving it to a bank your whole life. You see, guys,
Jeez.
The banks and the life insurance companies and the car
Just stay in the
companies
left
have been
lane.
stealing your wealth.
In a new MacBook Pro.
So I want to, and I was gonna like pull out my phone.
Wait, it didn't even turn green yet. And he pulls the asshole left. They don't have an arrow for that end.
We're going to try and go somewhere else. I think it depends on how this season turns out. Some phones. The Astros are able to put
Red light runner.
Where it?
Then they switched my days off after they offered.
Real life is a pain.
Who said
Really?
why do you want to grow up? Who said this adulting thing?
Oh, it's bullshit.
We won the World Series and believe it or not.
Jim, sign stealing is a distinct advantage for the hitter. So how is it it doesn't...
They just
affect
run right
competition?
through.
So then what are you guys apologizing for?
In favor enshrining abortion protections under state law.
Really? Nissan drivers.
That entrusted me with your child's spiritual health should they pass on. I love my
What
friend.
the
I never
fuck
said
are you doing?
I love
Well, mine is family, so, you know, guaranteed.
Yeah, take longer at this.
Strawberries,
Stream, a creek, or whatever.
Yeah, absolutely. So, what's going on, Matty? I don't think I've ever run into you out here in LA.
What?
Because I haven't been out here for quite a while.
When was the last time you were out here?
Ooh, man. Did some commercials maybe in 2002 or 3 years.
Oh,
Why would you?
And I got a...
I am stunned.
Which I haven't paid for.
Be different, do different things. Don't do it.
Wait, what the Fred? Why would he turn out when?
Cash, just being a bunch of people sitting around going, what do you think poor people do? You know,
I'll
when you
check
say
that one.
it,
That
you
was
know,
close. Okay.
Little store. You think this is a hell of a lot more than that, I'm presuming.
Wow.
Well,
Lexus.
I think we're pretty good.
It begins.
But see, they do that in the South with
Yep, that Nissan drivers. At least I think that's a Nissan.
So, of course, I back him.
Why would you back a candidate who doesn't...
Of course.
Practicality, Jimmy. The American people don't want to be...
And stay out of those things until you meet somebody that you actually,
Really?
you know, like you're not doing it for the wrong reasons. Like
A few moments later.
Yeah. I mean, this is for men and women. I'm just saying it from a guy's point of view. Just get the shit.
No
get it
way.
over there, and then it is fucking.
Believe someone would do this. I mean, I'll tell you what, I would never do it. If you were looking for people, it wouldn't be me.
It's like the criminal joining the vigilante.
Yes.
It's an old trick, absolutely.
Well, cops always say that when someone's an arsonist, they're almost always at the scene of the crime.
Yeah.
They always show up to watch their hand.
Well, I'm going to think about this more then, because I mean, you're sort of putting into my mind now this idea that there's a lot of the work people are doing it in
What's
order
that
to
guy
up their revenue.
doing?
Well, there's,
Like a self-regulation kind of
there's
thing, you know?
definitely...
Red.
And it was just, and I just, let's go. Like this is what you were made for. Let's go.
Wow.
That's
what you're made for.
I had a guy working for me 100 years ago. I mean, he was making $32,000 a year, and he learned, back in those days, he learned cold fusion.
You can go now.
Now we don't even use that.
You can go now.
And other languages are more advanced than cold fusion.
You could have went. Sorry.
You know, he got a guy offered him $90K, and he...
Wait, that was no left turn.
I say this is a compliment.
It sounds like a compliment, but what it is
Naughty. Oh no, and you're gonna.
If you don't want to talk about
is he gonna? Yeah, he's going. He's going.
I think
Sheesh.
the audience might catch on.
Yeah, there he goes. Loomis, we keep your money safe by ramming other drivers off the road.
Right in there. Oh, come on now. I mean, we all have an inner Caruso. So anyway, thanks to Kelly Beck, Richard Carney, and all the highly talented individuals on there.
Buddy, I've known him since Chris, in the old days, and Johnny, his brother. So he glommed onto them, and then
glommed on.
Really?
They're all buddies, but Kevin and I would hang out. I'm someone. I wish. I'm like, no.
Like Johnny Depp in Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yeah, it's real bad. The best is when.
Whoa! What the hell's that?
$1,000 worth of debt in just 6 months because I only found you 6 months ago.
Fantastic. I am very impressed with you. And what is your household income right now? The market fluctuations, down market,
really,
income changes because you
yeah.
don't
Hi, how you doing?
Down your door for a chunk of cash into their retirement accounts, all from the sale of their former home. That's a great way to make up some ground in your investment.
Yeah, and a lot of school buses. I think he just rolled it.
Okay, and there's fucking people who grew up out here, who the light turns green and they're still sitting there at the fucking light, and you beep at them, beep and beep and beep, and they sort of creep the fuck out there.
Oh.
These fucking idiots on the highway who pass on the right doing 90 miles an hour, like it's an epidemic fucking problem out here.
Nope. Come on. Really? KLB Sons. Okay, 2 in a row.
Dude, if you have a popular YouTube channel, you can do that. And bonus, no boss.
Yeah, no
Really?
boss. That's what I had to learn. I had to learn to be my own boss at the end of the year.
That's right here. You're on the show with no boss.
Wait, you don't have a...
Did not even attempt to stop. There were other cars here.
Now, because he ain't going to want to say much after we rip his team. It looks like he's out there coaching, whereas you're here.
Okay.
Ever been knocked down?
Paul George, Kawhi Leonard, and now Marcus Morris to throw at the 35-year-old LeBron James in his 17th season. As a result,
You got bad information.
No, I looked at it. What do you mean bad information?
Well,
yeah, again.
The problem is that Bob only has $20,000 to invest in his business.
Stop texting.
So Bob issues stock. So there are 10 total shares of stock valued at $10,000 each. And the company, like Social Security, is a government program. There are a lot of confusing variables, and people often get mixed up when dealing with these.
Red light runner.
Living in the dead. You might be wondering what I mean by that. Living for the dead.
Wow. Look at all those red light runners.
Playing football also taught me the importance of taking ownership of my actions and never
Does
making
not
excuses.
attempt to
It
stop.
was another lesson.
Screwbaroo. Oh, they didn't move over. And neither does that car.
Time you finish reading this sentence. That is exactly why you need a player on your dream team.
Red light runner.
Who specializes not the same as Social Security. And it is not free. In fact, it still involves premiums for your
Exit
coverage
dive.
and requires co-pays.
No trailers in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. No trailers in the left lane. No, no, no. Well, I'm going to make this the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. 50 episodes in Connecticut. Well, have a great day, everybody. Please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.